So gardening is probably the worst. You know, you're getting down on your knees and they start to hurt and stuff like that. But check this out. I actually have a solution for that right here. This is a padding for your knees or to sit on when you're doing your gardening. This thing is great, easy to move around. You can either sit on it or kneel on it, or you can even flip it upside down if you want to be closer to the ground and do that. It has these little flaps too that you can pop over the legs. So you can put your tools right there, easy to access, so you can be doing all of your gardening. That's actually really way more comfortable than what I was doing before. They also include a set of gardening gloves, so you can wear these while you're pulling weeds. And also include this nice little bag, so you can have all of your gardening tools all together in one spot. That's the worst, is when you're doing your gardening and you can't find your shovels and your rakes and all that stuff that you need. You can have them all right here in this one bag. So really good padding and comfortable on your knees, or you can just flip it around and use it as a seat. Oh, that's actually really comfortable. This is really nice. So I can just be out here chatting with you guys, having this nice little seat right here. And when you're not using it, it folds up nice and compact, so you could just tuck this in your garage, just not taking up any space. Fold this thing up and carry it around. It's not very heavy at all as well. Like, you can just pick this thing up. It's not very heavy. It's great quality. It's perfect for those that don't like to do yard work, that need to do it and just want to save their knees the trouble. And for that, I highly recommend this. This is great. And thanks for watching.